Today I'd like to share with you a project I recently completed, installing a wireless surveillance system to cover over 10 acres at a trailer park. I knew this job was going to be a challenge from the start. There were what looked like multiple generations or remnants of multiple generations of surveillance equipment on the property, as well as remnants of networking equipment including Ubiquiti and Ngenius. The main problem was the topography. There was over a 25-foot incline from one side of the trailer park to the other. I knew this was going to be a challenge, and doing it the way that it had been done before was not going to work. There were a lot of trees in the area that had grown out. It just wasn't ideal. You can see there a point-to-point was established from the office across the street to a pole, and then the signal was then beamed out to multiple parts of the park. Unfortunately, that just wasn't going to work, so we decided to trench. We ended up trenching about 800 feet. This was done in one day. We almost hit a pipe, but we did not. So you gotta be careful. Comes from right there. Starting to run the conduit.
Almost.
Choke off. Alright. You can try it. Choke off. Get it down to start. Here we go. This is it.
You can do it. You can.
That didn't work out too well. We have cut through this road. And we're going to continue it going to come up into this box. And we're going to put a camera up here so we can see all this. There's a line in the road here from the office. It goes into this box. We'll replace those. Cat 6 in conduit. Have a PoE switch for some cameras. Antenna. Do some cameras down there. And then we'll go back out. We're ready to run our conduit. I'm recording. Wow. Nice. Give me a thumbs up. Antenna. Camera. Camera. Let me see that one. Net 1. So that's it. Here's the antenna. Just one antenna. Yeah, it's for the front. I'm gonna go down that way. Juan, why are you grinding my access point?
Yeah, the aluminum is blocking my wire, but it's just like one link
Okay.
to don't press the wire.
Yeah. It's good. Okay, so I removed this switch, power supply, power strip. It's just a lot cleaner to do it all through PoE. So there's a PoE switch. Got my antenna, my 2 cameras. It's good. All right.
Normally, the big ones, like curves.
pause because this is crazy. Dude, that's like, oh my gosh. And it goes into that light. But that's crazy. Right there. So that we can run a good wire. Because this is all protected, but coming up we need a good wire. The antenna's here. Facing that antenna. If I can zoom in. Right there. We have an antenna and we're going to put a camera there. So from that antenna and the camera goes to this box. This is a PoE splitter. And this is PoE++ coming in. We're splitting that to PoE. The project results speak for themselves. Using the Wavlink repeaters to set up a network around the trailer park and using Reolink 2K and 4K cameras, I was able to effectively cover the entire park with surveillance. The Wavlink repeaters provided a stable Wi-Fi network throughout the park, and the Reolink cameras, especially the CX410, really excelled at night. Thank you for watching my video. If you'd like to see more of this content, please like, subscribe, and share.